So today we are going to see how to work a triple crochet. Another stitch, basic stitch of crochet. This is almost similar to double crochet with slight changes. For this also you need a foundation chain. So here I am working with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So for doing this triple crochet, you need a returning chain of 4 chains. So we'll do 4 chains extra. 4. Now for double crochet you yarn over only once, but for triple you will be yarning over twice and insert in the 5th chain from your hook. So 4 we did, and into the 5th one we will be working our triple crochet. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through the next 2, and again you have 2 more, so pull through both. We'll just have a look once again. Yarn over 2 times. Insert into the next stitch. Pull through. You'll be having 4 loops on your hook. Now you'll be pulling through 2 loops at a time. So 1 and again once and again. So 3 times you will be repeating this process. Once again, yarn over 2 times, insert, pull through 2 loops, again once again from 2 loops and 1 more times. So total 3 times you will be pulling through. Here we have completed the first row of triple crochet. Whenever you are working in the squares, only 2 things you have to keep in mind, that is not to miss the first and the last stitches. Now for the second row, you will work a returning chain of 4 chains. Turn your work. You will be working in the very first space you see here. You will be working in this very first chain, and you won't be counting chain 4 as your first stitch. So your first stitch will be here. Yarn over twice and complete your stitch. By this you get a square with space over here. And then work as usual in the next stitch. This is how a triple crochet square will look like. The next stitch that comes in the list is a double triple crochet. For that you will have to do 5 chains extra. So whatever number of chains you are doing plus a 5 chains as your returning chain. And for this you will be yarning over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you'll be inserting your hook into the 6th chain. So you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, again once again, and once again. So total 4 times you will be doing this. The speciality of this stitch is this is the longest stitch in crochet. Once again, yarn over 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Insert, pull through. You have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over. You will be pulling through 2 loops at a time. 1, 2, again 3 times and the 4th time. So here we have completed our first row. For working the next couple of rows, you will be repeating the same procedure. You will be working a returning chain of 5 chains for double triple crochet. We'll work chain 5, but this chain 5 is not considered as our first stitch. We'll be yarning over thrice for a double triple. Insert into the very first space. By doing this, you are eliminating the space between the chain and the first stitch. So your work will look a bit more perfect. You will continue till you reach the end of the row. This is how your square will look like.